In today's digital age, social media platforms have become powerful tools for businesses to connect with their target audience and drive sales. Among the various platforms available, Instagram and Pinterest stand out as two of the most effective channels for selling products or services. With their visually appealing nature and engaged user base, these platforms offer unique opportunities for businesses to showcase their offerings and turn likes into profits. In this article, we will uncover the secrets behind successful selling on Instagram and Pinterest. Understanding your target audience. The first step towards successful selling on any platform is understanding your target audience. On both Instagram and Pinterest, users are primarily seeking inspiration or looking for products that align with their interests or aspirations. By identifying your target audience's preferences, you can tailor your content accordingly to capture their attention. Creating engaging visual content. Both Instagram and Pinterest are highly visual platforms where aesthetics play a crucial role in attracting users' attention. To stand out from the crowd, it is essential to create visually appealing content that reflects your brand identity while resonating with your target audience's desires. On Instagram, focus on creating high-quality images that showcase your product or service in an authentic way. Experiment with different angles, lighting techniques, or even user-generated content, UGC, to add diversity to your feed. On Pinterest, leverage the power of stunning visuals by creating eye-catching pins that tell a story about how your product can enhance users' lives or solve a problem they may have. Consider using infographics or step-by-step guides as well to provide valuable information alongside captivating imagery. Building an engaged community. Having a large following does not guarantee success. It is more important to build an engaged community of followers who genuinely care about what you offer. To foster engagement on both platforms, respond promptly. Reply to comments and direct messages in a timely manner to show your audience that you value their input and are attentive to their needs. Use hashtags strategically. Research relevant hashtags and use them in your captions or pin descriptions. This will help users discover your content when searching for specific topics. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with influencers who align with your brand can expose you to a wider audience and boost credibility. Leveraging shoppable features. One of the key secrets behind successful selling on Instagram and Pinterest is taking advantage of shoppable features. Both platforms offer tools that allow businesses to tag products directly in their posts, making it easier for users to purchase items they see. On Instagram, utilizing the shopping feature enables you to tag products in your photos or videos, providing a seamless shopping experience for users. By tapping on the tagged product, users are directed to a product page within the app where they can make a purchase without leaving Instagram. Pinterest's Shop the Look feature allows businesses to tag multiple products within one image, giving users an effortless way to explore and purchase items featured in pins. Additionally, Pinterest offers customizable shopping ads that appear alongside organic search results, increasing visibility for your products. Analyzing data and optimizing strategies. To continuously improve your selling efforts on Instagram and Pinterest, it is crucial to analyze data regularly and optimize strategies based on insights gained. Instagram Insights provides valuable information about follower demographics, engagement rates, reach impressions, etc., enabling you to understand what content resonates best with your target audience. Use this data-driven knowledge as a guide when planning future campaigns or adjusting existing ones. Pinterest Analytics offers similar insights into how people engage with pins from your website or profile. By tracking metrics such as impressions, saves, repins, clicks through pins, center, etc., you can identify trends or patterns that inform future content creation decisions. In conclusion, successfully selling on Instagram and Pinterest requires understanding your target audience's preferences, creating visually appealing content, building an engaged community, leveraging shoppable features, and analyzing data to optimize strategies. By implementing these secrets into your social media marketing efforts, you can transform likes into profits and drive business growth in the digital landscape. So why wait? Start harnessing the power of Instagram and Pinterest today to unlock new opportunities for your brand.